Hello and welcome to the Ray Law International channel. How has the history of U.S. immigration shaped our lives? Previously, we talked about the wave of immigration from 1820 to 1860, the Civil War, the abolition of slavery, and the rising tensions between political and ethnic groups. So what happened when 20 million immigrants arrived from around the world? Let's find out. Up until the mid-1800s, much of America was farmland. Two things transformed the landscape: industrialization and the gold rush. For the first time, products could be mass-produced and could hurtle across the U.S. on trains. There was a rural exodus as thousands of farm workers became factory workers. Meanwhile, people from around the world caught the gold fever, seeking their fortune in the mountains and deserts of the West. Gold rush towns sprang up from the dust. Cities expanded, poor men became rich men overnight, and immigrants from all over the globe came to seek the American dream. In a utopian world, everyone would have gone along. After all, they were working side by side in the same mines, factories, and railroads. Instead, the Chinese Exclusion Act was passed in 1882, barring Chinese immigrants from entering the United States. It was the first ethnically based immigration law, but not the last. In 1907, the U.S. and Japan signed the Gentlemen's Agreement, which limited Japanese immigrants to business and professional men. The Immigration Act of 1917 established a literacy requirement for immigrants, as well as successfully stopping immigration from most Asian countries. And the Immigration Act of 1924 completely ceased Asian immigration and introduced a quota system, issuing visas to 2% of the total number of people of each nationality already living in the United States. This ensured that 70% of all visas went to immigrants from Germany, Ireland, and England. How was your family impacted by these restrictive immigration policies? In our next video in this series, we'll talk about how World War II transformed U.S. immigration. If you are new here, make sure you click that subscribe button and check out our other videos in this series. That's all for now. We'll see you in the next video.